Oh, sorry guys. But today I'm back with another video, and I just got this new fidget spinner from Walmart. I took the
I bought him.
Oh, hold on.
Guess what else I bought him? Little weenies.
But I took the wrapping off, you see? And then I opened it, and then I touched it, and I was like, no, I could do this for a video. So I'm gonna do like a review on it. So, opening up. What's this case?
And we got some milk.
Dad, stop! Styrofoam and the fidget spinners in there. Grab it by the... Okay, I just don't want to... Pat it. Pat. Just patting the back, by the way. So it'll dip out. Oh, it came out, guys. Ooh. Oh my god. It's so cool. Oh. Oh. It's so satisfying. It's wiggly though, but what?
That's it.
Oh god.
There you go.
Ah. Sorry that my iPad keeps falling since I'm recording on my
There's a
iPad.
$10 hunk of crap if you ask me.
How is it?
Because it wobbles like crazy.
Hold on. Don't say that.
What if you put it back in this? We'll put the cap back on it and you can return it for the other one.
No, that one's more weight. No, literally, I have that one.
Do you?
Yeah, but it's not that gold
That
color.
one does feel a little heavy though.
Yeah, it is heavy. But at least it spins.
Pretty sweet though.
Yeah.
Spinning.
Yeah, it's really shiny.
Looks like my rims. My spinners.
You don't have spinners.
My 24s.
But this is so cool, guys. And it's made by Zentoy. Zentoy sounds like the toy. Probably can't see that, but it says Zentoy. Yeah, that's cool. It's really epic. I'm just spinning. This is how I live my life. But subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a big thumbs up. And see you in the next one. Sorry if I'm